What's up, guys? So it's just me right now. Hunter ain't here yet, but as you see, I've been working on a little tabletop over here, trying to make it wider. I'm sweating balls right now because I've been working for like 3 hours already, but yeah, we're getting there slowly. Got the wheelbarrow and the shovel going on. Been digging a big ass hole. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, basically I got here early because, you know, my truck tire fell off yesterday and went flying down the road, so I didn't really have any transportation, so I was here early. Hunter's got like a doctor's appointment or something, but he should be here soon to meet up with me and help work on the trails. It's a bit brighter out today, so we'll probably give you guys a better track tour later on, but yeah, that's it for now.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just got back from doctor's appointment. Justin's been shoveling for a good amount of time over here on the tabletop. As you can see, did a little time-lapse video before. It actually came out really fucking sick. So as you guys can see, this is the jump that we were filming last night, and it was probably like half of this last night.
Yeah, you can see where all the new dirt is and where the old dirt is. So we're just kind of working on widening it out, and we're trying to, you can see we're trying to match the lip of the jump with the original one. So we got that jump over there. It's a lot easier to see in the daylight. It's a pretty good jump. It's a decent gap.
You can see we've been freaking digging out this place to nothing. Now it's got water filling up into it. I'll show you the rest of the track, give you a better idea of what it looks like.
Deep rut, it comes through that way and it comes through here. You can either go, we got like 2 lanes kind of. You can either come down this way or you can come down this way and hit this double we got over here. Right here, after you hit that jump over there, basically you're gonna come around this way, and it's a really sharp turn right there. You cut in, and right here we're planning on putting a whoop section. We got a wheelbarrow over there. We're gonna be turning that into a double soon, probably over here on the back section of the track, but we'll probably go to the tabletop next. We got a few other doubles in here, a couple other berms. Pretty nice track, it's coming along.
As you can see, you got the little turn right here, which brings you over to the tabletop.
Look how deep this rut is.
Yeah, this is
look
insane.
at this shit, like
just turned into a puddle.
I don't want to stick my hand in it, but that's pretty fucking deep.
So this is the double that we were talking about just a second before, and this is probably not one of my favorite. This is probably my favorite jump that we have here. I'll
probably
insert
one of the biggest doubles we got so far too.
I'll insert a clip of us jumping.
If you think about it, the lip is right here. It's about, I'd say it's about another 15-foot jump, because most of the time we land over here on the far downside. It's about 15-20 foot, so pretty big. We're probably have like bigger jumps for like motocross bikes later on if we ever get a machine, because wheelbarrow and shovel's not going to cut.
So right, as you can see right here, this is the lip of the tabletop. Go up, jump over, and it's about
Probably about 20 foot jump. This is definitely the biggest jump we have so far, and it's weird. It's almost like a hip jump, because when you jump it, if you look down here, it kind of forms into a berm. It's a good jump to scrub, because you know, you go down there, you gotta make the turn down there. It's a real sharp turn.
Alright guys, this is the finished product. Alright guys, that's going to be all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and ring that notification bell. See you guys in the next video.
Peace out.
Peace out.